Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're having a celebration and it's all because of you. My puff pastry in a hurry video has been seen 100,000 times. Wow, thank you so much. That's amazing. And we can only grow from there. So today I thought we would celebrate by having a special puff pastry recipe. And it's my take on the Napoleon. It's going to be a strawberry Napoleon, but instead of pastry cream in the middle, we're going to do whipped cream and do 3 layers of puff pastry. So what you need to do is make my puff pastry recipe one time, divide it in half, and then roll it out to about 11-inch square. Put it on a parchment covered sheet pan. I'm going to cover it with another sheet pan because you want it to not puff up too much, and you're going to bake it in a 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes, and then you're going to rotate it and bake maybe 5 to 10 minutes again. It should get sort of nice and brown, and you will see the layers start separating. Take it out, divide it into thirds, so it's going to look like little rectangles, okay? It should be 3-inch by 9-inch rectangles, and it's amazing, and that's what we're going to build on. So let me put this away. And we're going to get something really, really fun to put this beautiful Napoleon on. So I have this beautiful wooden cutting board, and I have my bottom. You see those flaky layers. I love it. So we're going to put that down there. I have some stabilized whipped cream, which you can see on another of my videos. And it's amazing because the whipped cream stays for a couple of days in the fridge without weeping. I have a pastry bag and I fitted it with a star tip. If you don't have a star tip, don't worry about it. You can use either a bag, freezer bag, or you can just spread whipped cream on. All right. Whoops. So we're going to fill the pastry bag with the stabilized whipped cream. And you want it nice and cold. We will need to refill this later on. And I'm going to make rosettes, and then I'm going to put some cut strawberries on here. So you're going to get that crunch, you're going to get the fruitiness of the strawberries and the sweetness, and then you're going to get the creaminess of the whipped cream. So I have my sliced strawberries. You can use any fruit you want, any berry. So I'm just going to make some swirls, anything you want. You can make swirls. These are just rosettes. Notice I'm just going around in a circle. All right. This is about 3 cups of heavy cream that I've whipped. I like to go a little more whipped cream if I need it. You could actually sprinkle nuts on here. You could actually sprinkle some mini chips, chocolate chips, or anything else you might like. All right, I'm going to refill that again. So I'm going to put that in. That's my little hack on refilling. So it sort of gives me an extra hand. So I'm going to leave that there for now. And then I'm just going to layer. And you don't want to push down on these strawberries. You just want to, I sort of sliced them. So I took strawberries and I sliced them. And you're just going to put them on top. And this is going to grow. It's actually going to get nice and tall. And you want to serve this as soon as possible after you make it, but it can stay in the refrigerator, I would say a couple hours. You could even put some chocolate sauce on each layer of puff pastry first. Let that firm up, or even some ganache. If you want a great ganache recipe, I have a video on that as well, which also makes a nice sauce for it. So I'm just going to put some strawberries everywhere, okay? And then I'm going to take my second layer here and just sort of lay it down. Don't push too much, all right? There you go. And then I'm going to refill. More whipped cream. And this whipped cream is sweetened. Remember, puff pastry is not sweetened. So you want to make sure that you do sweeten the whipped cream. You'll need a little bit of sweetness. All right, we're going to do more rosettes, more whipped cream. Oh my goodness, look at how gorgeous this is. This is a celebration. Oh, my rosettes are so big, I'm gonna have to go back for more whipped cream. But that's good, that's excellent. Isn't that gorgeous? And it looks just like a Napoleon, but sort of my take on it. Remember, it's not a true Napoleon, but you can do anything you want and have it your way. So that's great. Okay. Remember, there's going to be a little thing of air, and you can hear that when you refill your pastry bag, so don't worry about that. Okay. More strawberries. Yum. Oh, yum. Just lightly sweetened. All right, a little bit more strawberries. Oh, this is so beautiful. And I have a little piece de resistance at the end that I will show you. And then I like to blast the whole thing with some powdered sugar. I like powdered sugar in my whipped cream. I don't use granulated sugar, as you'll see when you watch the video on how to stabilize and whipped cream. I actually like powdered sugar better. It's a little bit lighter, not as granular, and it's just so yummy. Okay. Okay, you ready? One more strawberry. Okay, one more layer. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, now I'm not going to add any more major amount of whipped cream or strawberries, but I am going to put, oh, let me do this first. I'm going to do a little boom, 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 boom with some confectioner sugar first. Blast it. You really want to blast it. And you would do this right before you served it. All right? Yeah, it is snowing. Snowing, baby. And then what I'm going to do is put a little rosette on top. A little bit of air from refilling, and that's okay. Okay. And then my piece de resistance is, I made a tuile, and you can see that also on another video that I've done, saying thank you for 100,000 views. You're amazing. I hope you become a subscriber. Enjoy until next time.